Sometimes.
All right, you guys, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and get started. Man, big wins for the team today, y'all. We got some nice moves. Come on, let's start that energy up. Y'all know how I like it. All right, man. So, yeah, like I said, we started the week off with some crazy moves. Crazy moves. We had a limit order set on AUD. I'm sorry, Euro AUD, this pair that we're in right now. And everything played out well. Our entry got activated right here. So this is risk to entry. Now this area was a major zone on the 2 hour that I was watching. Oh, I already have the stop loss and everything right here. So that's a 1 to 14 trade set up on EA if it rejects right here. Now if we get price to pull down and breaks beneath this level, we can move this trade to break even. But outside of this, we're in AUD USD. We hit TP1 and TP2. Big wins. Win. Big wins on AUD USD. We also took Euro Pound, okay? We sold Euro Pound from this level here. Winning on Euro Pound. What else we got? Euro USD, and all of these trade setups were called this morning in our live session in our Facebook group. Euro USD. And Pound USD, we're in profit on it. We're also deep in profit on oil. TP1 got hit on oil. Now we're looking for continuation in this downtrend so we can get TP2 hit. Man, we went crazy this morning. We got this NASDAQ 100 sale. Great way to start the week. And we also got this US 30 sale. All right, so we're right above TP2 on NASDAQ, US 30, and oil. And those other positions are still in profit, man. Major wins today. Win. Yeah, everything. Yeah, man. So I'm enjoying it. Let's go ahead and check out this news. Let's see what else we got. Are we just going to let these run? If we should close these, how do we manage these positions? What is our next step? Give me 1 second. Big V, what up? All right, cool. So back to the chart. Let's see where we are. US 30. If we look at the lows right here, this area has been retested before. So when you see multiple rejections at the lows, price is either creating liquidity or it's about to make a move to capture liquidity. Okay. Oh man, what am I doing? Okay. So we want to see a continuation in this downtrend. Does that count? Guess not really. US 30 did leave this level of structure that hasn't been retested. Price could possibly pull back to this level. Man, we got to take profit on something, V. Sheesh. Hold on a second. The Euro pound get to TP1? No. Okay, all of these targets got hit in our last Euro pound sale. We just re-entered right here. We need to move that TP1 up. Okay. So we got price consolidating right at that zone here. This wick plate, this double bottom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, bud. You put an order in at that level. We both put an order in at that level. I did it in the session. Oh, you didn't jump in the shower yet from leaving the park? Go jump in, bud, then come back. I'll be here. Yeah, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if this thing wants to continue moving to the downside. Looks like it because all of the EMAs so far are bearish. We had this short-term crossover right here. And as soon as it hit the 200 EMA, price fell. Right now, all of the EMAs are above price. And we got the 200 coming in. All of this could work as a bunch of different moving lines of resistance to push price down lower.
Yeah, but I can't see.
You can't see what?
You know, my clothes. Yeah, the light doesn't work out like this.
Just jump in. I'll bring them in there. Okay. Looks like we just have to set some alerts. Okay. Because from here we need to see how price responds after creating consolidation on this smaller time frame. Like I said, as far as the EMAs, everything looks bearish. We just have to wait and see exactly how it plays out. Okay? The thing that is keeping us safe, don't go off of what you want to happen, go off of what the market gives you. And right now we know we're looking for lower highs and lower lows. The market failed to break above this high, and it's pulling back to retest this one. Well, it already retested with that wick, if I remember correctly. So either it's going to go up to break this high or continue to break beneath these lows. Our job is to figure out, well, not figure out, our job is to let price make its initial move so we can figure out how to react to it. Right. You know what? Yeah, you're right. It would be nice if we got that push. Man, what is going on this thing? Pound AUD. Okay. Okay, so we got a double top. Oh, wow. So down at the lows on the monthly, we got a key level. It's a gap down here. Price could either go here or retest these highs. Got a weekly zone right above. Okay, so these are the scenarios that we're looking at as far as Euro AUD. Dang, look at that. It hit that zone and took off. This entire move could be a bull flag. And price could be headed towards these highs, either to retest them or to break them. All right, we also have a double top right there. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. All right, so right now price is retesting that trend line of that flag. Yeah, I called that sell, but price wicked a few pips above my stop loss, and it just tanked. Oh no, it just barely hit the stop loss. Came up just enough to clip me with the spread. Not even the price itself, but the spread was high enough to wick me out of this trade. And this thing just went crazy and hit my targets, hit all targets. So sometimes you just gotta jump back in them. Trust yourself. Okay, so it looks like we got a inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour. Yeah, we can see if this moving line of resistance is true. Let's see if we can get a retest of this structural level down here. Okay. It retested this structural level here. So you could see this move. That sale isn't worth taking, but it could lead us right here to with a 7-2 trade set up. Oh yeah, man, those spreads, they got me. But it's all good. It's all good. We did great today. And it's still going. Like some hold on, man. Let me catch up, man. Let me catch up with my words. We just had some big wins, man. Win. So some of the trades we took off so much that some trade setups are still at their entry, and it looked like it's gonna continue going in our favor. So it's like this is still just the beginning. So man, like look at this. If this EA trade setup play out, this is nasty. That's nasty. A 1 to 14. Even if we get to TP1, that's still a 1 to 4. And this is definitely a swing setup. So you can just let this run, keep adding positions on it. Price already gave us liquidity down here. So we know at the very least, if we get a strong shift in momentum, we have to see a break of this area down here. That's if the bearish momentum is strong enough. If not, Euro pound with the cross. Let's see. Yeah. We do got a death cross. Well, let's see. You know what I want. I want to sell. I don't want it to keep on playing around. Go ahead and finish up that sell. Got a double top. Really lumpy double top on the 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, it just need to fall. 200 on the 15-minute. Working right on top of this area of range. Yeah, AUD USD moved faster than I thought, honestly. I did not expect this type of movement. I didn't expect it. So we got y'all think this is a game, man. We just caught a 1 to 23 trade on AUD USD. This shit is wild. That's wild. $113 pips. Yeah, once you guys get into it, you'll see that this is a really big deal. I know companies that promise you 260 pips monthly. We just got 113 pips in one trade. And that's just one of them. Oh, God. All right, so we got to figure out what we're going to do with this CADJPY. When it gets like this, it's time to stay away. You have these really impulsive moves with long wicks on each side. Excuse me. If you're not in this trade set up already and profit, I don't suggest playing around or attempting to get in it until price shows you its true intentions. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, so it's moving in range down here. Man, it's still going. Yeah, so we just keep those alerts. So we're expecting a deeper pullback on Euro JPY to let us in right here. But we didn't get that. Came pretty close. Pretty close. But so far, man, we are going nuts. So I say if you would have started only 2 weeks ago with maybe a $300 account and followed along with these trade setups, at this point you should be at almost $1,000 in 2 weeks. For free. V, how much did you go up today? I saw your trades in the group today, man. What was the total balance on that? That looked like well over $1,000 for 2 days of trades. Well, really 1 day. A charting session, then executing. Type it in the chat for me, man. What was that total? Damn, about 3,000. Easy. This was another one of my lessons. So yes, we had a great week, but we still got some lessons too. This thing, so pretty much both of these trades that I got clipped on, I barely missed them. Oh man, was so close. But it's cool. That's why we make sure that we leverage properly. That boy, he done went to 3K. Hey, I like that for you, man. Really. I'm ready for everybody to get 1 million. That's the vision. And Big V was the first trader that we tested with our complete system. All right, so at first we just offered our trading course, our technical analysis course. But I noticed, man, people didn't have a problem with understanding the charts. They had issues and complications with the heart. And we added a mindset series, structure breaking. Big V got in and not just focusing on the trading aspect, but the psychological aspect as well. And he took our meditation series, and he's been the most profitable student that we had so far. So, man, appreciate you for trusting the system and trusting the process. You closed some positions that wasn't the full total. Oh, so you made over 3K. Hey, man. Easy. Yeah, let's see what happens here. I'm going to set an alert here. On Euro AUD, let's see if we can get another pullback right here at this trend line that's been working as a moving line of resistance, or if it's going to continue. What in the world? That look completely different on a smaller time frame. Okay. So our options so far, we can either wait until we see this move, or we'll wait until it gets down here. So either way, whether it breaks above or a pull, we get a pullback, we still got a means of entry for either direction it goes. Yeah, man. That's what I was looking at, man, because I got some positions I need to close too. So give me a second, actually. Oh, okay. Euro USD is going for the ride. Let's go, man. I'm telling you, bro. Win. Yeah. I'm telling you, bro. It just can't get better than this. This is a great week, man. What we say, infinite wins. So let's not say great week. Infinite wins. We're gonna keep this thing going. Marked up NZD USD. No, I haven't. I don't think I trade that at all. Let's see. I'll pull up NZD USD. Bro. So we got 110 pips on AUD USD, 665 pips on US 30. We got 431 pips on NASDAQ 100. We got multiple positions on oil, but we got 277 pips on oil. On pound USD, we are up 39 pips. Man. Think I counted euro pound. I didn't. 12 pips on euro pound, man. Let's go. And up on euro AUD. We just need to let it play out. But NZD USD. Going dumb for real. That's crazy. I'm enjoying this shit, bro. I'm just having fun. Okay, so we called the sale. I don't. Oh, I did this for the other group. Okay, so NZD USD. The Euro USD hit TP. I don't think it hit TP yet. All right, so we got these multiple rejections up here at the highs. Okay. We also got some rejections down here at the lows. And with this being the daily, this definitely counts. And even though this is a double bottom, normally I take the retest of a double bottom of oh no, what the hell just happened with my words? A double bottom, and I'll play it for a reversal. But this one is not at a major level of structure, okay? This double bottom right here. So I'll look for this one to be broken. Let's see, everything has pretty much been played on the way down. So we got healthy price action. bearish momentum on dang near every time frame below the weekly. Looks like this downtrend is going to, prevail overall. Okay, right here on the 4 hour, right above this area where price created these highs, we got a double top that's right above the 200-day EMA. And we also got two double bottoms right here that retested each other. So let's see if price doesn't create a lower low from here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that sells. That sell. Yeah. I see more sales if this level doesn't hold, okay? And even if this does hold, even if these two double bottoms create a valid level of structure because it's the 4 hour time frame and we get a bounce right here, it's still got to retest these two levels here. Here and here. And you got a lot of rejections at those levels. Look at all of this. That's major structure right there. A lot of rejections. So I would still say overall, I would only be looking for more sales. If I do get some buys, it's short term. Oh yeah, it just hit this flag. Yeah, it's breaking these lows. Because you actually could have looked at this as the flag on the daily. So we're either going to see consolidation or this area will be the break in the creation of this bear flag on NZD/USD. Yep, that's a double bottom on the 4 hour too. So it's not far-fetched to see a pullback or a reversal at this double bottom. It got a lot of things that create interest, and that's people's money. So we got some stop losses in this area. So we're either looking at a bear flag, or we're looking at the beginning of consolidation on NZD/USD. But either way, the momentum with the EMAs at this point is still bearish. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get a push to break those lows. Yeah, see, look, a double bottom on the 30-minute. Yeah. So I just set an alert, and on the 15-minute, I'll set an alert below. Because what we could see on these smaller time frame is a shorter, like a little short pullback that maybe retests this area of structure right here in the market. So we may have another sell entry either here or right here. All right, if it does break that level, where is it going? All right, so we got this inverse head and shoulders right here. So at the very least, you'll see a retest of this, because it hasn't been retested. Let's find the macro swing right quick. Oh, look at that. Oh, this thing better continue going, or it's gonna fall for a while. Take a look at this fib. Okay. So that looks like another inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. And that lined up with the 50. With the 786. And it's right at this area where price broke structure. Right here. So if we do get a break of this low, okay, we're looking at a definite retest of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. After that, we could maybe see a retest of the 618, but ultimately it looks like price wants to reach down for it towards this 786. So if you got good entries on this sell, what the clouds say about this buy? I think this buy legit, bro. At least for a little while to retest one of these EMAs. Let's see. Nothing but room. Let's see. Resistance everywhere. So the same thing the EMAs show. But on the 5 minute, you got a breakthrough. But those breakthroughs could be the beginning of consolidation. So we still need to see what happened right here in this high. Alright. Set an alert. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. I'll take this trade set up depending on how it play out. That's exactly what I do. I take both. So if it gives me a strong sign that we got some support down here other than this retest of the double bottom on the daily, because this thing dropped pretty low past this 786. So what I don't want to do is just get overconfident, like, oh yeah, it's a false breakout, and it dropped 29 pips below a major level on the Fibonacci. So I'll definitely wait until it give me some better signs. But this is a sell. On our side, we'll sell this. I believe it'll pull back, but let's just go ahead and take that here and keep it running. You know what, V? Let me check the news right quick. Oh yeah, because I was just about to say we could probably wait until price reaches all the way up to the 786. And on the 30 minute, we got this little micro level of structure that could possibly get retested. And that'll give the rest of these EMAs time to catch up with price so we can have more resistance when we're looking for this rejection. Yeah, I want to see it close below. So for now, especially since it ain't nowhere near London or New York, let's just wait for this break above before, and that give us a 1 or 21 setup if we take this New Zealand USD sell. Let me go ahead and add this up here, just because. Okay, man, break those lows. Break those lows for me. Oh definitely need to see it close beneath that. We got 3 minutes and 5 seconds left in this candle on Euro AUD. If we get a close beneath the lows, we'll definitely get a continuation in this downtrend. For how long, we'll see after, but we will get some more downward movement. Oh yeah, let's go. Man, more wins. This thing is just going crazy. USD high news alert for the rest of the week. Yeah, hell yeah, cause we got room to go. Like, look at this. We got room to go. So of course, this thing will consolidate at some point, either around TP. Oh damn, TP1 got hit. That TP, why the fuck was that TP so close? Uh, that just threw me off. It's about 100 pips. At some point in this move, price should consolidate. So that news isn't far-fetched. It'll just give them whatever reason they need to push price in the direction they was going to do it anyway. So yeah, especially with the indices. Oh shit, what did I just do? Did I just delete USD? I mean pound USD? I think I did. I didn't know you can do that like that. Alright, cool. Alright, yeah, so it definitely could use an excuse like the news at this moment to give us some more momentum and push everything to the downside. But yeah, like I was saying with these indices, let's get here. On the daily, really we're starting to get into some almost dangerous territories. So right here is the level we want to watch. If it breaks beneath this 200, it's about to be the start of this wealth transfer. He said, that's what I thought. What you mean? I looked down too late. And this thing isn't something to be afraid of. A lot of people are afraid, really. All you have to do is be in position and be patient. You can mess around and change your entire dynamic financially with this move that's about to happen in the market, okay? So if we get a rejection at either one of these levels, then we will see a break above this to either retest the highs or make a higher high. Oh, TP, yeah. Euro pound with that close ass. I'm sorry. Euro USD with that close TP. Yeah, so we really need to be watching this. This is gonna tell the story, and I'm pretty sure it's shaped up the same way on S&P 500. Now, what I think is actually gonna happen, I don't think this wealth transfer thing is gonna start just yet. I think at some point it's gonna pull up, create higher highs, right? And Bitcoin is gonna drop a little, because I caught a Bitcoin sale at 71,000. People don't really listen until it's too late. So this Bitcoin sale is running. This thing is shit over 20,000 pips on this sale, and I believe that Bitcoin will test some major structural levels with these lows before actually making that $100,000 run, because it's some levels that it left that have to be hit. They gotta be hit. Okay? So I don't care what nobody says. When I told them price was gonna fall from this point right here. I sold at 59,000, but I actually had so many people telling me I was crazy. I closed my trade around this area, and it did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. Come all the way down to retest this area here where price started to break out. Now I also had a level closer right here around the $10,000 mark, a double bottom on the weekly. So they told me I was crazy for this, and it happened. I'm not like predicting anything to fail. I'm just, saying exactly what I see on the charts. And any other time I do that, more often than not, these areas are retested. And in seeing that, this may not be what people were looking for with Bitcoin, but what they do with the news is they hype up these assets when they make these moves to get everybody to invest in them. Soon as everybody put their money in them, they kill them like they did here. When it gets lower, they buy it all up themselves, and this thing starts taking off. So when the news come out, it's too late. It's too late. And this was a sell entry on Bitcoin for us anyway. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. Like I said, we always will move our stop losses appropriately with this thing, but right now, it's looking like they're about to hit us with the flip-flop. That would make sense. Give everybody hope in the dollar, hope in your economy. But all of this, none of this made sense to me with everything being weak in the economy and the indices just surging like that, making higher highs. It's gotta fall. Yeah, if you hear about it, you're too late. That's why I would much rather learn how to do this stuff myself. All right, cool. So we got those alerts set. I don't actually have an alert set for TP2 on US 30. What about NASDAQ? Oh yes, I do. Okay. Oh man, we get another push with US oil. Man, this profit is just going crazy. Let's go V. All right, man, big wins. I appreciate y'all for hopping on. Win. Yeah. Appreciate you guys for hopping on. So what we're about to do is close out for this session. What were we waiting on? We were waiting on NZD. Where is that? Let me put it up here. NZD USD. That's the wrong one. Yeah, okay. So we're waiting on NZD USD to retest the 618 to see exactly what was going to happen. So far, it's a chance that we could either have a bear flag, judging by price moving up in this descending triangle and breaking beneath. This could be a rising wedge if these lows are taken out. Okay? So that's a possibility we're looking at. We're also looking at the possibility of it just being the start of consolidation and price pulling back to retest this double top on the 4 hour. So we're either going to look for a buy or a sell right here at this 618 to see the true intention of price. Yeah, I love that shit too, man. We're going to figure out the true intention of price from this point. That'll be the safest bet, especially with this 200 EMA all the way up here. This impulsive move could have been all there was for this pair so far, all right? Because that's over 100 pips, all right? So at some point, we got to get a pullback. And yeah, shit, look at that. That one candle took out all of these days. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. One candle took out 6 days after retesting this thing. So yeah, that's momentum right there. So we need to see what happens in this next 2 days. If we get a break of these lows, or if we get that pullback. Alright. So I think everything else we're gonna let it run. On Euro Pound we are in consolidation, but we are in the sell. Gonna let it run. Euro AUD, let it run. We are really close to our last target on AUD USD, so we'll let it run as well. Let's go. If we get a break in these lows on US oil, man, this thing was really masterful the way we set this up. This is our first entry right here. Price pulled back to retest structure right here. I noticed it. We added another position. Then at this level, we added this position. Then this morning, we added a trade at this position. Man, we just been taking advantage of what is this? US oil. I love this shit. But all you guys, I really want to get some of that oil. But I'm going to have to wait on, this gold. I'm going to have to wait on it. Gold look the same way as NZD USD, kind of. Cool. You say you would have been up 4K if you would have caught the AUD USD? Hell yeah. That entry was crazy. What was that? That you would have been up way more than 4K. That's a 1 to 23 trade. You've been up way more than 4K. That trade set up, really, this is the best trade, I believe, as far as risk reward ratio. And that's on the 1 hour too. Shit, like for real. What else is closer? 1 to 6. NASDAQ 100 was a 1 to 23. And we're almost we're halfway through that. So, man, these are some crazy setups. Oil, all of those combined, but not in one trade. This is a 1 to 16. So no, that AUD USD 1 to 4, that's the best setup. Oh, this is 1 to 21. 1 to 4. Yeah, that's the best setup, man. So hell yeah, you'd have caught that one. Man, I've never heard that about NZD, USD, and gold being correlated, but they are definitely shaping up, showing similar shit as far as their chart patterns. The potential bear flag that is being presented for us right now. Yeah, so no, not familiar with that. Yeah, she'll be back. But all right, guys, I appreciate you for hopping on. You already got your live account set up, don't you, Dawid? So we go live for the charting sessions. And I post the flyers and going live soon sign for everybody. And in the morning we trade live at 10:30. So since we did the session, then Facebook will be live at 10:30. All right, yeah. So you can either take the trades on your demo or take them on your live account. But everything we took, well, not everything. We took a lesson on Euro AUD. I just got back in it at this level right here. We got a lesson. We got clipped, and Euro USD clipped us too. We just got back in it. So we got 2 lessons, and everything else went nuts. And yeah, we're covering everything in these live and demo sessions. But like I said, you can either use your live or demo account, whatever make you comfortable, until you get, to a point to where you see setups that resonate with you and you want to take them. Okay, so I was wrong. EA is 1 to 14, but it's still not 1 to 23. This got to be the trade of the week. AUD USD until US 30 hit. No, which one was it? NASDAQ 100. Yeah. 23.23. Oh, so NASDAQ 100 is the best one. Ooh, that's crazy. But thank you guys for hopping on with us. For everybody that would like to take advantage of these trade setups that aren't in position just yet, we have our free course, a free 9-day course to teach you how to set up your live and your demo accounts. So you'll learn how to place, monitor, and properly leverage your accounts. It actually gives you a trading plan, which most people lack when it comes to trading. Also, we got our structure breaking free trial. This is our mindset series to help you shift your paradigm, help you believe in yourself more, and break through those barriers mentally. So when you get to this market, you don't put yourself in a position of self-sabotage. And that goes along with our 6-week journal available on Amazon. And as far as the rest of our books on Amazon, we got 6 steps to trading with consistent results. We also have our log books for Forex, crypto, commodities, and indices, and stocks and options as well. All right. So outside of that, support the team with that merch. And remember, guys, you're only one trade away from living. So why fight to stay the same?
Okay. Let the streets know.
Y'all mark my words. I'm telling you, we're going to have thousands of people screaming just winning profit, dog.